Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Trends come and go, but some designs quietly endure. In woodworking, the most successful creators understand that true value is found at the intersection of modern appeal and timeless character. These are pieces that feel fresh today, yet still belong 10 or 20 years from now. They don't chase fashion, they outlast it. And that durability, both in style and function, is what makes them powerful income generators. In this narration, we explore modern, yet timeless creative wood crafts designed for both home and business environments. These are projects that feel contemporary without becoming disposable, elegant without becoming outdated, and practical without losing soul. If your goal is to build a craft portfolio that remains relevant and profitable for years, this approach is essential. Modern, yet timeless wood crafts begin with restraint. Instead of excessive decoration, they rely on proportion, balance, material honesty, and thoughtful detail. The wood itself becomes the hero. Grain patterns, clean edges, and subtle contrasts do the talking. This design philosophy is what allows a piece to age gracefully rather than feel obsolete. Furniture is one of the strongest expressions of this balance. A simple dining table with clean lines, solid legs, and a natural finish fits just as comfortably in a modern apartment as it does in a traditional home. When furniture avoids unnecessary complexity, it becomes adaptable. Buyers value this adaptability because it reduces the fear of future regret. Timeless furniture feels like a safe investment. Seating is another category where modern and timeless meet effortlessly. Wooden stools, benches, and chairs with minimalist forms continue to sell because they serve multiple environments. A bench can sit in an entryway, a dining room, a cafe, or a studio. When a design is flexible, its market expands automatically. This versatility is what turns single designs into long-term income products. Storage solutions also thrive when built with timeless sensibility. Sideboards, shelving units, and cabinets that avoid trend-heavy shapes remain relevant across decades. Modern buyers appreciate smooth surfaces and clean geometry, while timeless design ensures the piece doesn't feel cold or sterile. When warmth and simplicity coexist, demand stays consistent. Lighting crafted from wood is one of the most enduring income opportunities. A wooden lamp with balanced proportions and soft curves never feels outdated. Light interacts with wood in a way that enhances both materials. Businesses and homeowners alike invest in lighting because it defines atmosphere. A timeless wooden lamp can become a signature product for a craftsman. Tables of all sizes, coffee tables, side tables, and console tables, offer endless potential when designed thoughtfully. A modern table may feature slim legs or geometric balance, while timelessness is preserved through neutral finishes and solid construction. These tables often anchor a space, which makes buyers willing to invest more. Anchoring products build anchoring income. Wall-mounted wood crafts also benefit from timeless design. Floating shelves, coat racks, and wall organizers that avoid decorative excess stay relevant longer. Businesses favor these designs because they look professional, while homeowners value their calm presence. A single well-designed wall product can generate sales for years without modification. Home accessories made from wood gain longevity when their forms are familiar but refined. Trays, boxes, stands, and holders that rely on proportion rather than novelty remain attractive. These items often sell repeatedly because customers return to them for gifting. A timeless accessory becomes a reliable revenue stream. Office furniture and accessories are another area where timeless wood crafts perform well. Desks, monitor stands, filing units, and shelving designed with clean geometry suit modern workspaces while maintaining warmth. Businesses avoid overly trendy designs because they age quickly. Craftsmen who offer timeless office solutions position themselves for steady commercial demand. Hospitality and retail spaces also favor wood crafts that don't overpower the environment. Tables, counters, display units, and signage made with restraint enhance branding rather than distract from it. These commissions often lead to referrals, making timeless design a growth multiplier. Outdoor wooden crafts can also achieve this balance. Benches, planters, pergola elements, and seating that avoid sharp trends blend naturally into different landscapes. When outdoor products feel permanent rather than seasonal, buyers perceive greater value and longevity. Children's wooden furniture benefits greatly from timeless thinking. Simple beds, desks, shelves, and toy storage that grow with the child appeal strongly to parents. These designs often pass from one child to another, extending their lifespan and emotional value. Timelessness here becomes a trust signal. Another powerful category is modular design. Timeless modular systems allow expansion without forcing redesign. Shelving, storage, or seating units that adapt over time keep customers engaged. Each addition becomes a new sale without reinventing the product line. What makes all these projects successful is intention. Modern yet timeless wood crafts are not rushed. They are refined. Each curve, joint, and surface serves a purpose. Over time, craftsmen who work this way develop signature styles. A recognizable style builds brand identity, and brand identity builds pricing power. Timeless design also reduces waste. When products remain relevant, they don't require constant redesign. This saves materials, time, and creative energy. Consistency becomes an advantage, not a limitation. As your catalog grows, these designs create a foundation you can build upon. Limited editions, variations, and custom versions become easier to produce. The original design continues generating income while supporting new ideas. Modern yet timeless creative wood crafts blend elegance, function, and craftsmanship into pieces that feel both current and enduring. These designs highlight the natural beauty of wood, its grain, texture, and warmth, while embracing clean lines and thoughtful forms. From sculptural side tables and minimalist shelving to statement chairs and custom decor, each piece tells a story of skill and intention. For homeowners, these crafts add character and authenticity to living spaces. For businesses, they create inviting environments that reflect quality and attention to detail. Modern yet timeless wood crafts represent more than good design. They represent long-term thinking. When you create pieces that respect both today's lifestyle and tomorrow's tastes, you protect your effort and multiply its value. These are the kinds of projects that don't just sell once, but continue working for you year after year. Your skills deserve a future as strong as your craftsmanship. By choosing designs that endure, you turn creativity into stability and passion into lasting income. This is how woodcraft becomes not just a craft, but a career. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video. So if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching. And remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.